escape has brought another criminal charge against a Bay County woman, an escape attempt that injured 2 corrections officers. That incident actually occurred in February as a judge had just sentenced her to jail.
But it took several months to charge the woman for her attempted escape. And Terry, one of the corrections officers that was injured just recently returned to work.
Yes, he did. He injured his knee, had to have surgery, and an infection followed, so he was off for months and just returned to work this month. The woman is in jail now, serving a jail sentence for the crime she was originally convicted on.
It was on February 5th when 21-year-old Madison Shy was being sentenced on a conviction of assault with a dangerous weapon. The surveillance video shows Shy sitting next to her attorney as Circuit Court Judge Joe Sheeran sentences her to 1 year in jail and remanded her to the Sheriff Department's custody. But as she was to approach the bench to sign paperwork, she takes off. The video also shows Shy's friend getting in the way of the officer chasing the woman. Judge Sheeran attempts to hit a button to lock the doors, but Shy is able to run out. And there she goes, down the hallway, make the big turn at the entranceway, and out the door, but she didn't get far. 2 officers doing security at the door were able to grab her and bring her to the ground. The corrections officer whose knee was injured and Shy's friend emerged from the building, and the corrections officer tells her to leave the area while Shy is detained. About 2 minutes after she ran off, Madison Shy was back before Judge Sheeran, and she was led away to begin her 12-month jail sentence. Sheeran also tacked on another 93 days in jail for contempt. Despite the video evidence, it took the Bay County Prosecutor's Office 5 months to add 1 count of escape from lawful custody to Shy's record. That's a 1-year misdemeanor with a $1,000 fine. Shy's friend was not charged with apparently attempting to slow up the corrections officer. Bay County Sheriff Troy Cunningham says another corrections officer injured his arm in the chaos, but did not have to miss work.
And again, that one corrections officer who injured his knee just returned to work this month. Now, I couldn't reach the Bay County Prosecutor's Office for comment on why it took so long to add that escape charge.